Hi, I'm Grace. Hi, I'm Alice. Let's cook! Today we're going to be making apple and pear crumble. What do we do first? We wash our hands. Splish, splash, splish, splash, splosh. Let's get all the bubbles off. Yeah, we really actually need to separate the two foods. Very nice. Now let's dry our hands. Mine are all dry now, Grace. Same. Showing you half of the food that we're going to be needing. So we've got sunflower seeds, we've got walnuts, and we've got an apple and a pear, and we've got maple syrup. Now I'm going to be showing you Alice's side. So this is cinnamon, this is butter, this is a measuring jug, these are oats, this is flour, and this is brown sugar. And that's all you need to make apple and pear crumble. First, we need to prepare the fruits. Maybe we'll have to call a grown-up to peel them. Joanne! Joanne!
Hello girls.
Can you peel these for us?
All right. Right, the apples and pears are peeled now.
The next step is wash the fruit. Let's put them in. Oh, I dropped one. Turn it around. Pour it in. Oh, this is one drop. Next, we're going to pour in 150 ml of water. Splash, splash, splash. Now, which one should we put in next? Now a bit of cinnamon.
Yeah.
Put that one in.
Shake a bit in. And what are you putting in, Grace?
Now I'm putting in maple syrup. You need to get an adult to put on the gas. Just boil the fruit for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to pour 8 ounces of plain flour into the bowl. And now I'm going to pour 2 ounces of oats. And now we're going to mix it up. Mix it. Try not to make a mess. Right. Now I'm going to put 200 grams of butter into the flour to make breadcrumbs.
Are you going to mix it with your fingers?
Yeah, we're going to get very messy. Right.
And do you add it a little bit at a time, or do you just blob it in all of it?
A little bit at a time. So let me just put my last bit.
Do you want to have a little go at mixing it with your fingers, Grace, to see if it goes into breadcrumbs?
Yeah, I'll have a go now. Let's go. Let's get it mixed.
Oh, it does look messy. And Ellis,
really
you've got to put yours in as well, haven't you?
I can't.
Girls, do you think that's been turned into breadcrumbs now?
Yeah, but what about our hands?
Oh dear, I think you're going to have to go and wash them again.
Again? That's another time we have to do it. I'm bored of washing my hands.
I think you've got to go and do it.
Come on, let's go and do it, Ellie. Now we have to pour in 6 ounces of brown sugar. Now you mix it, Ellie. Okay, Grace. Don't make too much of a mess because I know what you're like. We got some walnuts to sprinkle over the apple crumble and the pear crumble. Now it's ready to put the crumble on top.
It looks lovely, doesn't it, in the dish there? All those lovely apples and pears and walnuts and cinnamon.
The walnuts look
it looks
like
delicious.
When you're doing this, you need to flatten the top bit down as smooth as you can get it. Sunflowers are really healthy for you, so you should be putting them on top. Now I'm going to sprinkle some everywhere. Get an adult to put it in the oven. It needs to be on 180 degrees. It goes on for 35 minutes. This is our lovely apple crumble and pear crumble. You can either have it with creme fraiche or custard or cream and ice cream.
And I keep walking up and down while I am whistling in the dark, whistling like a
Turn it around.